Okay, good day guys. Welcome back. So let's take a look at GBPJPY for the next day, which is for the 24th. Now, if you have not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So today we actually, yesterday we did analysis for the weekly time frame on GBPJPY. I told you guys that we would expect a little bit of a bullish move, at least about 100 pips bullish move on GBPJPY. Once we get that movement, then we should now expect a drop. What I said, right? So now we've actually gotten a bullish move for today, which is for the 23rd. Now for the 24th. Now let's see if this GBP will actually give us that drop. One of the reasons is that if you take a look at your JPY index, you will see this movement to be an higher highs, then at an higher lows. If you take a look at this, a new high is being formed here and an higher lows playing out here. If you see it again, a new highs and an higher lows playing out here. A new high is being formed here and an higher lows. Then a new high is being formed here. I took out the previous highs and now this is an higher lows. So what we'll be expecting on GPY now is a new highs. So if this new highs is being formed, that is to tell you that JPY will go bullish. Then any other pairs will be trading to our JPY will definitely fall. So be expecting or be watching out for a fall on GBPJPY. So watch out for it. Price is going to be dropping. If you don't get that drop on the 24th, which is the next day, then I can assure you on the 25th, price will definitely drop. So watch out for the drop on the 24th or on the 25th of January. So GBPJPY will be giving us a drop anytime soon. So now let's see this level. We saw that price has once rejected at this same level. We had a rejection at this level and now a rejection at this level. If you take a look at this, price is at this same level. So we'll be watching out for a rejection at this level also on GBPJPY. So this is one of the reasons why I said it's either we get that drop for the next day, which is 24th, or we have that drop, we get the drop for the on the 25th. So watch out for the 24th and 25th. GBPJPY will definitely give us a drop.